Okay. So, para doon sa hindi nag-function yung masking tool nila or yung um, ang tawag na vector mask tool, gagamit na lang tayo ng erase tool. So, wala tayong choice this time. So, make sure that you are on your edited image. And then, again, make sure that your erase tool is on soft round brush. So, you can start erasing the white areas. Okay, uulitin ko lang. This might not be the smartest way to do it. But if some of your tools doesn't work, then I guess this is your only option. And then make sure that you're only erasing the white areas and try to leave some hairs in there. I'm just gonna lower my opacity. Nilo-lower ko yung opacity ng brush because I want to lighten these areas and still leave some hairs. Kasi masyadong mukhang fake pag nauubos yung strands ng hair natin. Okay? There. Dapat at least meron tayong nakikitang blurry hairs doon. And this also is sa shoulder niya. Medyo may nakikita tayong artifacts. Medyo napasobra doon. So, ito ang problema ng erase. Then I have to undo that. Kung mask ang ginagamit ko, then I just need to switch my color from black to white. Okay? So roughly, nalinis natin yung edges ng ating image by the use of eraser at kanina by the use of vector mask.